Hi guys, this is Life Less Ordinary and this is Naveed Faruqi.
And she's Aisha Zumedar and we are talking today. बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है. हमने बैठे बैठे सोचा कि यार हमारी ज़िंदगी में इतने हमने गाने सुने, हम अपनी एक लिस्ट बनाते हैं अपने माहौल के लिहाज से, अपनी एज और कीपिंग हमसे 10 साल पुराने लोग, हमसे 20 साल 30 साल की आगे की जनरेशन एंड ऑल, कि यार टॉप 10 गाने कौन से होंगे. कितना मुश्किल काम था ये.
We started off with 7 different top 10 lists and every list exceeded 20 songs. Then उससे 15 किए, फिर 15 से 10 पे गए. लिस्ट चेंज होती रही. लेकिन मजे की बात ये थी कि मैं हर बात के ऊपर रुक जाती थी कि the song has to have a soul. That makes it the all-time best song ever. So we did come up with a list, and it is a personal list of ours, and people may differ. People may have a different viewpoint towards it, but just share with us what we think.
Before going that, जैसे आयशा ने कहा कि song should have a soul. Also वो गाने जिन्होंने तबाही मचा दी, मतलब जो आज भी सुने आपको करंट सा लगे आपको, या एक वाइब्रेशन ऐसी आए आपको, उसके लिरिक्स पूरे याद हों, उसके बीट याद हो, या उस पर झूमने का दिल जाए, या कोई नॉस्टैल्जिया आ जाए. दो सॉन्ग्स उन पे हमने किया. अच्छा, इसमें हमने फिर ऑब्वियसली अपने जो पाकिस्तान में इधर उधर दोस्त हैं उनसे भी हमने फीडबैक लिया. और आयशा शी टुक अ फीडबैक. कौन है तुम्हारे दोस्त फोन में जो तुम्हारे रहते हैं? व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट? चैट जीपीटी.
फोन में जो रहते हैं. अच्छा, so I had to of course go ahead and like counter check my views. So besides going ahead and putting it on Google, I put it on ChatGPT and said, "Hey AI साहब, आप बताओ कि what do you think of this list?" So
उससे तो मैं confused बहुत किया. It keep changing its view, right?
No, they actually I would say that AI is not that I'm pro AI. I have a love-hate relationship with it, but बात सही करता है. You have to give.
So he
agreed
with our list, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start the list, please.
Chalo, I will. Now I'm not relating this list based on a chronology. So it's not like top 10, top 9, top 2, okay? So we just have 10 songs which are all-time best songs that we think have been sung, produced over the years, and they resonate with people from all ages. So we start off with the first song. And we've got a long list, so we've got to go fast. Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding.
Now, the story behind Wish You Were Here with Pink Floyd is that Roger Waters heard David Gilmour playing, just doodling on the guitar. And then he went into the room, came out after 2 or 3 hours, maybe overnight or at least, and just handed him the lyrics and he says, I think it's done.
Then before एक चीज आगे, मैं छोटी सी चीज पूछना चाहूँगा your opinion. I always thought कि ये जो गिलमोर का और रॉजर वॉटर्स का, डेविड गिलमोर रॉजर वॉटर्स का किलर कॉम्बो था, how do you see that in comparison to Jimmy Page and Robert Plant, right? वो वाला. तो what do you think about that? Isn't it amazing? These two guys were together.
But you got the killer combo with Elton John and Bernie.
Yeah.
I mean, you need to have basically the musician has to have the songwriter, the lyricist as its muse, and vice versa. And ye combo makes history.
Absolutely.
So let's go back to history.
What's the second one?
Well, the second one is Staying Alive, Bee Gees.
Yes.
You can't miss that song.
कहीं भी किसी भी दुनिया में आप हो, किसी भी रात पार्टी में हो, तो ये गाना जरूर चलेगा, चाहे वो क्लब हो या आपका घर हो.
कहीं भी हो. I mean, Knocking on Heaven's Door, Bob Dylan.
Of course, amazing.
It's been covered by
So many others.
so many different artists, and the beauty of all Bob Dylan songs is that it's been covered by, because it's poetry, pure poetry. What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong, 1940s song, and Billie Jean, Michael Jackson.
Oh my God, Billie Jean पे तो मैं बुक लिख सकता हूँ. Billie Jean जो है revolutionary song है. I think Thriller was the highest selling album, but Thriller song or Beat It or any other song of Michael Jackson didn't do what Billie Jean did. Created the history. Till date आप सुने तो आपको उस पे फड़कने का दिल जाता है, ना सिर्फ डांस करने का.
असल में उसमें है ना, it's not a dance song. It's a song with the right music. It has the music, and excellent lyrics. The whole ballad point, because it is a ballad.
Yeah.
And
and another thing that this song got more popularity, I think, because इस गाने पे माइकल जैक्सन ने पहली दफा मून वॉक की थी. The classic Michael Jackson moonwalk and the dance, of course. So Billie Jean. Yes, please go ahead.
Now, this song may not have a soul, but it definitely has a ghost. Hotel California.
Oh my God.
And what a song. I mean, like, you know, you listen to Hotel California, आपके सामने जाके The Shining आता है, आपके सामने पता नहीं क्या-क्या सामने आ जाता है, वो it's an unbelievable song.
Wow. Hotel California.
Have you ever seen The Rain, CCR?
Amazing.
I hope everybody knows what CCR is about. This is one of the shortest lived album group that stayed on. There were two brothers, then a couple of other people who were part of a band. The brothers had a fallout with each other, and unfortunately one of the greatest music writing came to a complete end. Then we have Can't Help Falling in Love.
ये गाना भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने गाया.
Elvis Presley.
Elvis ने, UB40 ने गाया, Sajid ने भी गाया, and so many others. And
but Can't Help Falling in Love was written for Elvis Presley by a guy, a songwriter. He used to have a lot of different songwriters, and he would try them out and try out the music and stuff, and then he would of course sing it. And but nobody beats that Can't Help Falling in Love, which is Elvis Presley.
Of course.
Then we are on our ninth song, which is an old song. It's an oldie. It sticks with everyone to this day. I have heard my 15-year-old daughter, who's a Gen Z, humming it. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. And it's one of those, because of the music, because of the beat, because of the simple lyrics. Now we are on the conflict song that we can't decide. We've got 3 songs. We've got.
Mine was With or Without You by U2. I think that was the revolutionary song too. Until date, it is very popular. So is the band. And and yours?
Then I felt that we could not leave one of the greatest country songs, which is Country Road.
Country Road.
And then there is another song.
Yeah, वो जो उसने दिया था हमें, ChatGPT ने भी और लोगों ने दूसरा जो किया था, जो ओरिजिनल हमारा.
असल में Country Road, not that, I mean, I'm like in love with that song, or I have like a soft spot for it, but it's one of those songs that when you have a band playing, wherever you are, if it is a band playing miscellaneous songs, they will bring the song up.
Of course.
And because it's a light, easy song to remember. Then we have one song that we can't forget, but we exceeded our top 10, which is Police.
Oh my God. And the song is, I don't mean, by saying Police, आपको पता चल गया होगा कौन से गाने की बात कर रहे हैं. Every Breath You Take.
Every Breath You Take.
And कितना पावरफुल रोमांटिक गाना है ये किस इन पिछले 40-50 सालों में आप 40-50
Do I hear myself humming? Do I hear myself humming?
नहीं कितने ऐसे सोचो कितने लोगों ने अपने प्यार में अपने रोमांस में अपनी बीवी या गर्लफ्रेंड को नहीं सुनाया डेडिकेट या डांस नहीं किया उस गाने पे
हाँ ये तो बात सही है.
So that's the song and also the song that मैं जो पूछ रहा था उसमें ChatGPT वाली बात I think it had given us another song which we did not include was Rolling in Deep by Adele. So but again a list that we had compiled it had Police का गाना and With or Without You and which one तुम्हारा कौन सा था
Country Road.
कंट्री रोड और रोलिंग इन द डीप को हमने साइड में कर दिया तो हमारी टॉप 10 लिस्ट है आप लोग जरूर देखिए सुनिएगा और आप हमसे शेयर करना चाहें कमेंट्स में शेयर कर सकते हो व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक अबाउट आवर लिस्ट you might have your own song but I am sure 90% of you will agree with the list what do you say
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, well, and send us if you want. Send us our list.
Yeah.
Send us your list.
Share your list. And then we want to see that what you have to. I mean, how many we have.
But keep in mind that these songs start from like we call them timeless. We know they all have a soul. There is something in them that brings something within us alive, and that is what people try to catch. Oh, there are tons of songs. There's Elton John songs which are amazing. There's Nirvana. There's Billy Joel. I mean, name it. But
वो तो आपकी लिस्ट
वो list खत्म नहीं होगी.
लेकिन एक लास्ट बात मैं ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि जितने भी हमारे ये सारे सॉन्ग थे वो आज से ज़्यादातर इसमें 20 साल पुराने एटलीस्ट इसमें से शायद ये
आजकल इतने मजे
नहीं आते See,
वो lyrics कोई लिखता ही नहीं है बाद अभी सिर्फ रैप
strange is that and how beautiful is that कि most of the songs जो हमने जिक्र किया वो 80s के जब हम लोग बड़े हो रहे थे जब हम सुनते थे तो उस वक्त के गाने कितने प्यारे थे. On that note, I would like to take a leave on behalf of my beautiful host Aisha and myself Naveed. आप हमारा चैनल जरूर देखिएगा लाइफलेस ऑर्डिनरी
and be sure to tune in for our next show which might come in a few days which might be about movies. We want to do the movies
top
too.
Top 10 movies
and also top 10 Indian
Bollywood songs भी और Bollywood movies भी top 10 की अब तक की हम करने वाले हैं. So keep watching the channel. Bye.
Bye.